What are you doing with those tea bags? You put them on your head? Charlotte. Charlotte. What are you doing with those tea bags? Oh, no. Oh. Wee. Pretty. I like it. Yeah. Can you put them away? Away. Charlotte, away. Good job. Good job. Oh, they're getting underneath you. Can I have a smile like this? Eee. Charlotte, give me a eee. You looking at yourself in the oven? Oh yeah, you think you're cute. Look at mommy. Look at mommy, Charlotte. Charlotte. Eee. Can you do that? Oh no! Eee. There's a smile. Oh, I don't need you getting on me.
No!
I don't need you getting me on me.